Now, it's no longer news that Binance has removed the P2P trading platform from their website. This came as a result of a directive given to Binance by the Nigerian government. Now, I want to give you the assurance that that does not stop you from trading your crypto, either buying or selling in Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 alternative websites that you can safely use to trade your crypto, either if you are buying or you are selling crypto. Okay, I've been using this website myself for over the years, and I've never had any issue using this website. Okay, now if that sounds like something that is interesting to you and you want to know on how you can continue to trade your crypto using P2P, then try to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss out on it. Okay, sounds good?
In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 alternative websites where you can buy and trade your crypto. You can buy and sell your crypto without having any issue. Okay, I've been doing this. I've been using these 3 alternative websites even before the ban of Binance, and I'm still using it. Okay, so you have nothing to fear about. I'm going to be showing you every step by step that you need to follow for you to begin to use these 3 alternative websites. Okay, now let me make this clear, because I know I have some international subscribers as well. This video is basically for Nigerians. Okay, if you are not a Nigerian, I'm sorry, this video is not for you. Okay, so let's get started. If you take a look at my account here, let me go to my, okay, so you can see this is the Binance port, and this is funding. Okay, if I click on this funding, ordinarily this is where you can find the Binance P2P. Okay, so you can see Binance P2P. Now if I click on it, you can see it's blank. Okay, so this goes to tell you that the Nigerian government asked Binance to take out P2P from its platform, okay, which is the Nigerian P2P, because if I come up here, you can see up here is showing NGN, which means Nigeria. But if I click on it and I go to GHS, which is Ghana, if I click on Ghana, if I come up here, then I click on P2P here. Okay, so you can see the P2P is working if you are using it from Ghana. Okay, if I click on sell here, you can see it's working absolutely well. If we go to any other country, you can see you can change the countries here. I can see that the P2P is working. Okay, then let's go back to Nigeria again. Okay, let's go to NGN. Okay, go to Nigeria again. So you can see it's blank, it's not working. But does that mean that you cannot trade your crypto? You cannot buy or sell your crypto? No, you can buy and sell your crypto. So the first option I'm going to be showing you is going to be OKX. Okay, so the first option I'm going to be showing you is going to be OKX, right? So if you come to OKX here, you can see the P2P is working absolutely well, right? You can see the buy. If I go to the sell here, you can see this is the sell, right? So you can see it's working absolutely well. If you come up here, you can see this is NGN and it's working here. Now, to show you that I've been using OKX over the years, even before the ban of Binance, let me come down here to my profile here. If I click on my profile here, allow it to load. If you come up here, you can see I've completed over 151 trade on P2P. You can see total completed orders 151. So this is even before the ban of Binance. Okay, and OKX is a very trusted website. It works absolutely fine, just like Binance. Okay, even I come to understand that the rate on OKX is even sometimes higher. Okay, so it's better you begin to use OKX. Now, if you don't want to use OKX, let me show you another alternative that you can also use. You can as well use KuCoin. Okay, so you can see this is KuCoin. KuCoin is also very okay. Okay, I've been using KuCoin too for over the years. If I go to my profile up here, if I click on it, you can see I'm even well verified on KuCoin. I've been using KuCoin too over the years without any single issue. Okay, this website, they work just similarly, just with the way Binance actually work. It's just that Binance is kind of more popular than them, but they all work absolutely well. So if you click on P2P here, it's going to bring you to their P2P platform here. Okay, so you can see this is the P2P of KuCoin. So here you can buy and sell your crypto without any issue. Don't be bothered about what's happening on with Binance. Okay, you can decide to click on sell here. You can see, and if you check up here, you can see this is NGN. Okay, so don't be bothered about Binance. You can do absolutely everything you normally do on Binance here. Okay, the link to KuCoin is going to be in the description of the video, and the link also to OKX is going to be in the description of the video. All you just need to do is just to follow those links, sign up, and automatically begin to trade normally like you normally do on Binance. Now, the third website I'm going to be showing you is going to be Bybit. Okay, so if I click on Bybit, this is Bybit. Now, Bybit is just more kind of similar to Binance, right? If you are very, very familiar with the Binance interface, then you will be very, very familiar with the interface of Bybit. You can see everything here. It looks like Binance, right? So you see where it says more here, okay? Just click on this more. Then you're going to come up here where it says P2P trading here, okay? You click on this P2P trading, then it's going to bring you to the P2P interface here, okay? And okay, if you check up here, you're going to see this is on NGN, which is Nigeria, right? So here you can do your buying. You can buy your crypto here. You can buy your crypto here, and if I click on sell here, you can also sell your crypto here. So, guys, I don't think there's any kind of restriction to you trading your crypto, okay? Without buying or selling, you don't really have any restriction, okay? All you just need to do is just, if you're not already on this website, is just to go ahead, click those links to Bybit, to OKX, to KuCoin, okay? And you'll be able to bring yourself here. Like I rightly told you, I've been using all those 3 websites already. And if I click even on my profile up here, you can see I'm well verified here also. So I'm verified on all those platforms. That is the reason why I'm telling you that they are very, very trustworthy. I've been using them over the years and I've not had any single issue with them, okay? So let's assume you want to transfer your crypto from Binance, okay? With the way it is now, you want to transfer your crypto from Binance to be OKX, be it KuCoin, or be it Bybit, okay? So let's use Bybit as an example. You see where it says deposit up here, right? You're going to click on this deposit up here, okay? Then you're going to come down to deposit crypto here, okay? You're going to click on this deposit crypto. Let's use USDT as a case study. I'm going to click on USDT here, okay? Then I want to click on TRC20 here, okay? Then all you just need to do, copy this wallet address here. This is your USDT TRC20 wallet address. So I'm going to copy it, okay? Then the next thing I'm going to do is just to go to Binance, okay? So if I come to Binance here, right? If I come to Binance here, like you can rightly see, I have about 88 USDT here. So I'll just click on withdraw here, okay? So when I click on withdraw, I'm going to click on USDT up here. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is this. I'm trying to withdraw this USDT to my Bybit so that I'll be able to use the P2P to convert it to Naira and send the money to my account, okay, to my Nigerian bank account, okay? So I'm going to click on TRC20 here. So I'm going to click on max here, okay? So all I just need to do here now is just to click on this withdraw, right? If I click on this withdraw, it's going to take me through the process and I will be able to transfer this fund, okay, from this my account here, okay? I'll be able to transfer this fund from this account on my Binance, okay, to my Bybit or to my KuCoin or to my OKX, okay? Then I'll be able to make use of the P2P on those platforms, right? So I believe you understand how simple and easy it is for you to continue to do your P2P trading without minding the ban on Binance by the Nigerian government, okay? So I want to believe you got value from this video, and if you got value from this video, guys, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and also remember to like this video, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself. Remember, the link to OKX, the link to Bybit, and the link to KuCoin, and also to Binance is going to be in the description of the video, okay? Do take care of yourself, and bye-bye for now.